Good morning all. The Honorable Director and all classmates. Thank you for the time for giving me the opportunity to present my research proposal. My name is Syafrizal and today I'm going to present my proposal with the title The Use of CoComelon Animation to Improve the Speaking Skill in 4th grade student at Medan 2 Elementary School. And then, this background of study. Speaking is an essential language skill that allows individuals to express through ideas and emotions through oral communication. It includes not only producing speech but also understanding and responding appropriately in real life interaction, speaking requires accuracy, fluency, and the ability to convey meaning clearly in various contexts. It is an interactive process where meaning is constructed through production, received, and interpreted spoken message. At Medan 2 Elementary School, various problems related to students' speaking skill have been observed. Many students show low speaking ability, limit exposure to authentic English expression, lack of motivation, and confidence. This issue is worsened by the lack of exposure to spoken English, as listeners tend to focus more on written tasks than oral practice. In addition, limited use of multimedia tools such as animated videos reduce student engagement and enthusiasm. The extent of interactive learning media combined with low motivation create barriers that hinder student development in speaking English effectively. Next. Based on this description, this research interest in conducting classroom action research with the title. Next, the research problem. My research problem is number 1. How can the use of the CoComelon animation can improve speaking skill of all grade students at Medan 2 Elementary School? And number 2, how can CoComelon animation contribute to improving the speaking skill of 4th grade students at Medan 2 Elementary School? Okay. Next, the scope of research. The scope of this research encompasses the 4th grade student of elementary school Medan 2 as the primary subject, focusing on enhance their speaking skill through the cultivation of CoComelon animation videos. Animation videos are effective learning tools that enhance traditional method by offering dynamic, visual, and engine story. In language classroom, they create multi-sensory experience that improve motivation, comprehension, and memory. Next, the significance of the study. Have two. One, theoretically. This study contributes to the theoretical development of language teaching by supporting the integration of multimedia. And next, practically. The study of practical teaching method using CoComelon animation that help teachers implement more interactive, engine, and technology-based listen to boost student speaking ability and classroom participation. Next, review of English literature. Speaking can understand as the act of conveying one intention such as ideas through or feeling to others through Cocomelon is an engine audio-visual series that support children language and communication development through repetition, rhythm, and visual cues. It is widely used in early childhood education to language or vision and reading and health. And the last, based on definition, the indicator of speaking skill in this study include the ability to comprehend clearly, express thought and feeling verbally. And G in interactive communication, speak with confidence and use familiar expression. These indicators are essential in assessing students' speaking development, especially when using Cocomelon animation as a fun and interactive medium to support young learners in expressing themselves more effectively. Next, this is conceptual framework. My conceptual framework using start from improving student to low speaking skill and below price cycle one observation and next use of Cocomelon animated media and below improvement of speaking skill and the last cycle one like planning, action, observation, and reflection. Next, research methodology. The research employs the methodology of design classroom. Research methodology. That's design, time and location, and research setting and subject. Next, research procedure. My research procedure using planning, action implementing, observing, and reflecting. Okay, this is research instrument. My research instrument was observation instrument that listen opening skill, mastering of listen material, explaining skill, class mastery, ability to use code and make, communication skill in communicative teaching and learning process, strategic skills, ability to evaluate listen watching skills. This is grade of teacher activity observation in the application of animation video media. Nah, ini dia skor yang diberi kepada instrumen ini setelah dia melihat video animasi tersebut. Next, this is grade of teacher activity observation of student like this. Next, my test in this study, the research conducts test to evaluate the effectiveness based on using Cocomelon animated video media instruction in addressing student challenge in speaking. The test was aiming to assess improvement in student speaking skill, but on an individual level and within group setting. And this is questionnaire. Nah, inilah dia soal-soal yang akan diberikan untuk penelitian ini. Next. Okay, data collecting technique. This is my data collecting technique for this research, di mana itu ada the data collect through the test and analysis by using the following step. Score, student score. Nah, skor student tadi, skor siswa tadi dikalikan seperti ini, maka inilah hasilnya. Ada percentage, ada frekuensi, dan total number. And data analysis technique. Student learning outcome data is analysis using the minimum complete criteria or KKM set by the school by knowing and description of student learning outcomes. A student is declared to have achieved competency if the learning outcomes have reached a score of 75 and the class is declared complete in a subject matter if the total student get a class average score of 75. Nah, inilah data analisis tekniknya, di mana data minimum yang didapatkan oleh siswa itu ialah 75. Maka dari itu, kalau dia di bawah 75, maka dia diwajibkan untuk mengikuti tes ulang. Next. This is data analysis technique again, di mana terdiri dari classify the student test score and the second classify the questionnaire and observation score. Okay, that's all my presentation of my proposal research. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.